they will get destroyed. So this is innate immunity. Present by birth, non-specific, no memory. Now we come to adaptive immunity. So in adaptive immunity, we have two: humoral immunity and cellular immunity, or cell-mediated, not cellular, sorry, cell-mediated immunity. So humoral immunity means production of antibodies. So how are antibodies produced? Antibodies are produced with a sophisticated mechanism and process, which is antigen presentation. So what I'm trying to say here is antigen presentation is a process in which antigen is presented to T lymphocytes, which are also part of the adaptive immunity. So you have certain types of T lymphocytes, for example, helper T lymphocytes, cytotoxic T lymphocytes, and T regulatory lymphocytes. So CD4 is expressed by helper T lymphocytes. So if T lymphocytes express CD4, they are helper T lymphocytes. If T lymphocytes express CD8, so they are cytotoxic T lymphocytes, which are part of the cell-mediated immunity. And these cytotoxic T lymphocytes, they destroy virus-infected cells. They destroy. So these cytotoxic T lymphocytes helps the body to get rid of virus-infected cells, and as well as certain cancer cells. So they do not require any antibodies for such actions. So they play an important role in cell-mediated immunity. So now CD4, it's helper T lymphocytes. CD8, it's cytotoxic T lymphocytes. And CD25, usually it's expressed abundantly by the T regulatory lymphocytes, which helps us to pause the immune response or to stop the immune response. So immune response should not be exaggerated, it should be balanced. So when we get rid of the microorganism, that's it. So immune response should be stopped. So that's where regulatory T lymphocytes become functional. Now a very, very important, the sixth point, the bridge between innate immunity and adaptive immunity. So what are APCs? APC stands for antigen presenting cells. So as the name indicates, usually they are involved in antigen presentation. So it means when a microorganism, for example, a bacteria, is trying to invade any organ, invade any part of the body, innate immunity comes into action. But that's not end of the story. So when the macrophages or neutrophils, they phagocytose, so it's degraded the microorganism, and maybe we get an antigen or any protein which can generate an immune response. So antigen is any substance which can generate an immune response. So when it is degraded, so the APC